Want to start investing in Canada? Questrade is a great choice for beginners who want more control and low fees. First, sign up on Questrade's website and choose your account type, TFSA, RRSP, or non-registered. Fill in your personal details, verify your ID, and link your bank account. Once approved, transfer funds into your account. Remember, no minimum deposit is required. So now it's time to invest. Log into Questrade. Use the search bar to find a stock, ETF, or mutual fund. When you find something you like, click buy, enter how many shares or the dollar amount, pick market or limit order, and hit send. Now, Questrade's tools lets you see real time codes and portfolio value. So to save on costs, stick to commission free ETFs or take advantage of their free ETF purchasing program. And don't forget to use features like automatic dividend reinvesting. There you go, full setup advice in your first trade, all with low fees and lots of options. Now, if this helped you, like, subscribe, and comment if you want a deeper dive into Questrade's tools next. Until then, I'll catch you in the next video.